Hello guys, welcome to my video today. Maglalaro tayo ng ay pinindot yan. Laro tayo ng Sprunk. Boom. So, first muna, ito. Ay. Ano yun? So, this is the cancelled update. Huh? The cancelled update. Tignan natin kung may nag-log. Wala. So, Di ba ako nakakagawa nito ng Sprunk? Di ba ako nakakalaro ng Sprunk for couple months or year? Pero ito yung quadruple frames. Beats. This is the beats. Kaya naglaro na ito, hindi ko lang kayo bago kasi may update, diba? Nagbago ba yun? Nagbago. May nagbago. So, saan kaya may nagbago ito? Hala! Don't mess with me yet. Meet your friends first. Gusto ko tayo ilagay. Agaw buhay. Lumapit na. Ano ito? Servers VO to Sun. Tignan natin muna. My favorite. Melodies. And this is the effects. Or maganda ito lang. Ganda. No animation. Hello. Would you like to have some fun? Yes. Right now, come on. No. This is the hey. Would you like to have some fun with us? Right now, come on. This is the fun time. Hello. Would you like to have some fun with us? Right now, come on. This is the fun time. Hello. Would you like heads up, right now, come on, cause it's a war. This is fun time. Hello, would you like to catch up with us? Right now, come on, cause it's a war. This is fun time. Hello, would you like to catch up with us? Right now, come on, cause it's a war. This is fun time. Hello, would you like to catch up with us? Right now, come on, cause it's a war. This is fun time.
Boom. Ay, ano yan? The Gibble Gobbler. Di ko alam. Oh my god. Boom. Nagbago. May nagbago. Look. Kaso parang ano dyan. May nagbago. Ay, bako. Bago. Gawin mga sheet. Orange. This. Red. Silver. Gray. Ito gray. Ito ano to? Silver. Red. Nagbago. Pero may nagbago ba sa animation na yun? Di ko alam. Bago yata dito. Ito or kaso ang ganda lang na ito or parang ganun. Kaso ganda talaga ng mga white stuff. Ito sa effects. Pang, 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 pang. Yun. What is that? Hindi pala siya para mahaba yung mahaba talaga. Bago. May pala siya. Ay, parang ko yung bar. So, ang dyan. Naku, ano yan? Naghahati sa gitna kasi ito yung pinaka-favorite ko. Eh, ang Jake voice. Char. Totoo talaga. So ito na. Or this stuff. Alright. So, wow. May nagbago pa. Or name. Okay, alam ko. Nagbago. Official names. You can call them by colors. Orange, red, silver, hindi ko alam, yellow. Hindi ko alam. May na emo gray. Pero ganyan lang. Mustard spark. True mustard sparky. What? Oh. Most sparky concept. I'm bored. Canon, Fanon. Huh? Turbo. Let's finish this video by Turbo. Bye-bye. See you in my next video. Bye.